Okay, so Amar. Okay, so you came. Okay, I will continue. Okay, I will continue. People are coming, so no problem. Okay, master. So last is pushing only. Push hyphen u origin master. Master means master branch only committing. So I'm pushing it. So now what it is doing? It is asking login because it's completely new PC, just like your PC, right? So new PC. Then Niranjan. Okay, so completely new PC. So then what we have to do? So I'm going to give again Vedic Soft CTS.com. Okay, so then password ZAQ MLP @7. So first time you must give anyway that thing. So it is committed. Now push is completed. Then I'm going here and refresh like this. Okay, I didn't log into this one, so you can observe I didn't log in anything. Just I got a link, then I use that link and I done this one. So the test one is came. Okay, and also you can see the commit information. Yeah, this is a browser problem, I think so. Okay, I have to download a Google Drive. Sorry, I closed it. So better Google Chrome is more better than this one. Okay, this is a old browser actually. So to either it is you should use the new browser or use the Google Chrome or Firefox kind of stuff and run. Okay. Okay, let it go on. So meanwhile, I'm going to the my first machine. Okay, Chrome is also showing like that. So then it's really a problem. So I will check it 1 second. Okay. Yeah, here. So here, if I refresh, then my main PC. So new commit from other PC 6 minutes ago. Okay, this commit is happened. Just remember, guys. F1, 2, 3, 4, file 1, file 2, and Latif file and a new file, and these files are there. Okay. So what is the name? CTS thing, right? So I'm going to my project, git pull, CTS1 2020, right? So this is my PC, my main PC. But can you see how many files are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 files are there. If I go to another folder, yeah, here it is good folders are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and Latif file. But can you compare how many files are here? How many files are in my PC? Okay. In this one, files are good. In this one, files are good. All files are there, including new file is also there. But in this PC, I don't have all the files. But when I try to create new things, so I'm going to create a new file here, or maybe I will modify the file, or I can create some picture, anything. Okay, maybe Latif file 2. Okay, and then I open. Okay, Latif file 2. Okay, so then I done, save it, close it. Then what to do? Go to the command prompt. Then one by one we should do it, right? So this is the error you will get it because if multiple people are committed meanwhile, so then sometimes you may get problem, sometimes you won't get a problem. So how to deal with it? So anyway, git, anything new we should add it, right? So git add. Okay, so git add is completed, git commit is complete. I will do commitment. Okay, Latif file 2 by Latif, anything, just for a commitment. Commit up to here, okay. But when you put a push, -u origin master, okay, so then what will happen? We throw a error like this. Already we seen this error earlier, but I want to show you a difference. Like a commitment difference is there. Like you done some project, completed, and you pushed it. But meanwhile, someone already made some changes. Then version difference is there. See, this is another version. You are in a still old version. This is new version. So completely new code is there. Completely new extra things are added. Extra things are added. But one second, guys. Nothing. Okay, so new things are added than your data, or maybe your staging area is different and actual central repository is different. So then what to do? Very simple, git pull. Take their code and verify and add it. Sometimes there is another problems also come up. So we'll see that another problems also once we completed this. See, the new things are adding into your PC. So new things are added into your PC. You can see here, all the new things are added here. Okay, all the new things are added here. Okay, then you should do pushing, right? So next is you can get git push also enough, actually enough. Otherwise you can give like everything, no problem. Because when you give git push also, it will understand where to push. By default, it is a master. Okay, now git push is happening, and if you refresh, then your new file also came up. See, this is your new file. Okay, so this is new file. Okay, and I said no, there is another problem also work. What is that problem? So I will go to my PC only, my main PC only. I'm in my PC only. You can see in a git pull, I have another folder is there. No? Here only 4 files are there, but you can see multiple files. Latif file 1 is here. Latif file 1 is there. Latif file 2 is not here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create that file. See what will happen. Latif file 2. And then inside I will put a data something Latif new file name file 2. Okay, something little bit data difference also there, or maybe same file, anything. Okay, now problem is this is different data and this is some data. This is old version, this is new version. Add something to my old version instead of downloading that one. So in this kinds of scenarios, what is going to be happen? So I will close all the previous things to avoid one browser one thing. So can you see this is the different, right? But this file already existing in a central repository, but in local you created same file, and you have to take this entirely here to push this one, right? So anyway, you add a new file, then what you do? Git add dot and then git commit, right? file 2 by Latif, some commitment. Okay, so this part is completed. Then we put a good git push. When you then you will get a problem, right? So we got a git pull problem. Then I use git pull. Some automatic merges got failure. Can you see here? Conflict is occurred. Merge conflict in a thing. Auto merge is fail and conflict, then commit the result. So automatic merge fail, fix conflict, then commit the result. So what happened? Everything is downloaded, but this file is same. This is the conflict. Can you see? This is in my PC. Okay, in that folder, and this is something in a there is a conflict, and automatically it is fine. Conflict difference is also showing. Understand? I think so. Maybe may not understand. Here already Latif file 2 is there. Here I created Latif file 2 also, and I put some text here. This contains some different text. Now I pull the configuration of all the things. Everything is same, but this file name is same. It is generated a conflict. Now how to manage this conflict? We'll see. Git status. So can you see the status thing? So new file is arrived and both added, like a mark is there. So you have to use git add or a git merge kind of stuff. Git diff. So this is the difference. Understand, guys? Git diff means there is a differences are there. Like it is given A means my file, B means that file. Okay. So my file, this text is there. In that file, this is the text. So that's the difference. There is a difference is there. We have to merge it. Okay, so how to merge it? So anything suggestion given to merge command? I done this one, but I didn't remember. Merge Latif file 2, right? So that is the name of the file. There is a space also there. Space is also there, right? Fix some them workspace. Merging is not possible because of unmerged file. So what to do? Either we should remove or add it, right? So git add dot. So you can specify a file name or you can use dot also. Then try. Turtle, you cannot conclude your merge with exist. Please commit your changes before you merge it. Diff is not showing now. Earlier diff is showing. Now it is not. Diff is not showing. This is also new modified. It is showing modified. Then what to do? Git commit. Okay, we are added. Okay, so this commit new merge in Latif file 2. So okay, so it's a new merge commit is completed. Then what to do? Finally, push it. Okay, yeah, push is successful. Now I'm going to check it, and I'm going to check this new merge. Can you see name is came, and still it is showing like this, but it is merged successfully. It is committed, but it is showing both the things. Okay, it's showing both the things. I want to see, oh, we should not open the files. I've opened the file. That's another folder. Okay, we should not leave open kind of stuff. So Okay. So you can see anything issues, status, differences, or you can use pull. Okay. When you put a pull, if it is showing a already up to date, means your PCs, in your system, your working folder and your staging area is equal to your central repository. So in a GitHub, whatever the data is there, is same data is available. So there is no difference between this one and that one. That is called already up to date. Okay, if you add new thing or you change something, then there will be show some kind of error like a modification or you should do something. Then we have to do it like adding it, merging it, or pull and pushing kind of stuff. We have to do it. Okay, like that. I think so. You're understanding. So from here, this is again world one. This is world one, right? Now this guy completed a new development, but I still having a old development. So what I have to do? What I have to do? So I have to do git pull. So in my second PC, I'm pulling the configuration from there. So it is showing 5 plus plus plus. These many insertions are happened. So you can see locks are very important. Now can you see the new changes are updated into my PC? Then I can change something and I can update it into something. Okay, so if I add new file, also I can add it like this. Okay, you can use your name to create a file. Don't create a file like a file 1, file 2. Use your name. For example, I'm doing with in name like I use Mayuri name. It's easy. Surname I'm using. So Mayuri use Mayuri name. So Kamble I using. Okay. Like just for example, a file created by Latif. Okay. Latif other, because I have two things are there, na? Other. Okay. Okay. Anything, just save. Okay. This is a new one, right? So again, same thing. What to do? Same thing. Git add it, and commit it. So if you miss any small main important step, then follow, right? Calmly file added. Okay, then quotation close, and what to do? Git push -u. That's it. I didn't give an origin master also, but it will by default it is a master branch only. Okay, so done. So once it is done, then you can check it in your browser. Yeah, Google Chrome. Git hub / Vedic Soft CTS. Okay. Why it is always giving this problem? https:// maybe.com. Yeah, it is opening. So it is here. It is not login thing. Repositories are go to repositories. Here is my repository. It is showing here. Google Chrome. Okay, in my second PC. So this is the Comble is a newly added. So this is my new one. So I can view what is it is. So I created that file and I can view it. So understand, I think so you understand how conflict will be occurs and how to avoid the conflict, and what is pull, what is push, what is status, modified, new files. Okay, deleting things. We can delete the files also. That is also possible. Okay, guys. I think so. You can do it. If you cannot able to do it, or anyway we connected it, so we have a time. If anybody want to do it now, if anybody want to do it now on my PC, tell me. I will give you a permission called remote control permission. You can try it. Okay, I will give you my second PC. So if you want to download anything, um, any Python kind of stuff or anything you want to create, so you can use your chat box and as well as your remote. So if you want remote control, I will give my PC to you. Okay, so then your doubts will be clarified. Tomorrow I will tell Jenkins, for Jenkins. Okay, decide meanwhile, otherwise I will keep on going. Okay, so Jenkins.io, go to Jenkins, click on downloads. You can download this or this, no problem. Generic Java package you should download. Okay, so you should download generic package. This is the better one, but I'm downloading this one. LTS means long-term support, and there is a lot of things are there not required, but I'm downloading this one. Okay, I'm showing how to download Jenkins also. So tomorrow I will show you how to install Jenkins, and then all other settings. Okay, so for GitHub you don't require high-speed internet to install. To download Jenkins also you don't require high-speed internet. To download Jenkins also you don't require high-speed internet. Okay, where am I? So to download Jenkins also you don't require. Sorry, close it. Tomorrow I will download and show you. Anyway, we don't require high-speed internet, but to configure Jenkins we need a high-speed internet. Understand? So I'll show you how to do it tomorrow completely. Then tomorrow afternoon or evening, so you can configure it. Okay. So guys, any doubt till or maybe anything? This is continuously development kind of stuff only. Only this, because of this name, I am unable to check it. That's it. But uploading, downloading is completely correct. That's no problem with that. Then I have to change the package name. That's it. No, how to rename it? Oh, chain test case also there here. I don't know that one. So, guys, no doubts or everybody slept? Please tell me. Anybody doubts? Already it is 5:23. Otherwise, you can close it. No problem. It's completed. My part is myself completed. I want your way. Any doubt or maybe you want to see once more? Already I showed how to install GitHub, and I showed a second PC also. Branching is you have to create a branch. That's it. That's nothing more. Branching is like a more like a tagging type only. View all branches. Okay, this is a master is a default branch. Okay, so if you want main code is in master, for example, main code is in master, and you can create a branch coding. Okay, this is change default branch. Okay, oh, sorry, so last time I done all branches, everything it is having only one single branch. Last one, two branches. See, this is two branches. This is branch one. Okay, so like this is a branch one. So small difference between branch one to this is 16 commitments. Default is this one. This is 17 commitments. So in a main branch only more are there. So like that. So you can create a more branches. This is first time or last time I created. 1 second. What is our last one? This is last one, right? This is adding a file. I can upload directly files. Go to files and code branches. No, how to add this is tags. This is branch. Find or create a branch, right? So branch one. So new branch like branch one. Okay, so like this. Now you can see this is a where it what happened. That's issues code. Now this is the master. This is branch. Remember 15 commitments. Just see in optical way only. So picture way only. Go to branch one. What is the difference? No difference. So what are the thing in a branch one? So what are the things in master? It is came to branch one only. If you add something to the branch one, it stays in a branch one only. So like you can take it like this is comparing changes. Okay. We can compare between main to second one, but how to add to the branch is also important, right? So then we have to same thing. So for example, copy con copy con b file one dot txt. Okay, this is new file, new b file one. Control C. So new file I created. Then we have to use git add. That's it, and git commit new file, right? So oh, okay, no problem. So 10 minutes. Git commit should be file one. Why, what happened? But exactly, I didn't remember why. So commit is completed, but here git push. In a push time, so we have to use origin. Instead of master branch, you have to use branch name. But it won't work. Don't worry. Okay. Does not match anyway. So what to do? So git pull, get some help. So otherwise put a git. Okay. Branch, git branch. So I want to first branch. It is showing only one branch. So we should get a two branches, right? Yeah. git pull. Yeah, there is a change is occurred. Very good. Now git branch. Last time I switch branches. Yeah, this is switch branches. So git switch branch branch one. So switch it to no branch, branch one, and branch one set up a to this one. So now branch one is main. So you can see the star also. Okay, now git push hyphen u origin. Not master, not master. Hobby. Okay, everything up to date. Branch one set up to why it is up to date. Yeah, this is the branch one, and okay, so I will refresh. What happened? So I will go to the master. 15 commitments. Where is that BF1 file I created? Branch one. Okay, okay. I will create another one then. Otherwise, is it created or not? Where it is created? Where I'm doing? Git pull only, right? So I'm doing in git pull. This is the project. Okay, I will create a new one. I create a picture now. Okay, I committed a master in local pro. Okay, maybe. So I'll put a star like this, and I put a color in the filler. Okay, that is enough. Okay, so it's a new file I created. Now we'll see what will happen. Git status. How much time? 5 minutes. Last. Okay, so a new file is there. So git add dot. Okay, now git commit. Yeah, right. Niranjan, right? Like we committed earlier into the master. Okay, now we change it, right? Click d dot bmt. Okay, that is new commitment. Now git push, right? So git push -m origin master. Why? What happened? Yeah, mind effect. So 530 effect. Off brain will work. So we'll see what. Gee, shit. Git branch. What is my branch? Branch one only. In what world, guys? Yeah, this is picture came, not came, but master. Picture came in master. 17 commitments. Picture came into master, and picture not came into branch. It's only 15 commitments. I am doing in this thing. Control C, Control V. Okay, D copy, right? So then I'm going to rename and D2, D2. Okay, or a D1. So what will happen? D1. Then I will change. I will edit it. Then I will put a this symbol with a different color, and I select this one with this color. Now new file, right? So what is my Git branch? Okay, guys. Yeah. New status, new file. What is my branch? branch branch 1. Okay. Git add. Here the file. Git commit last file. Next, I don't continue anyway. I am getting lot of back. D1 file for branch. branch 1. Something I done. Next, git we have to push it, right? So push -u origin. Okay, now we have to be careful. Branch 1. If you don't give also, it will go to branch 1. But last time I done master. So we'll see what will going to be happen. Now it is showing branch 1. Now we are my branch 1. Okay, D1 branch 1. So D1 branch 1. So okay, and master D1 is not there, but B1 also not there. B file 1 is came, but yeah, very good. So I given master also it is came into branch only. Okay, branch only. So when you click on compare pull request, like you can compare pull request also. So you can see master branch. What are the comparison between this one and that one? Also we can get it. Okay. Where is this? I will git diff. It is between you and that one only. So you have to compare. How much time, guys? We have 1 minute to disconnect. Once it is disconnected, happy you can tomorrow only. Okay. So you can find any compare commands and all. So you can comparison between master and this one also possible, and we can merge it also. We can merge it 2 or more development history together. Also we can merge branches. So like I can merge my branch to main one. I can merge it. Okay. Reapply. Rebase means reapply commit on top of another base kind of stuff. I can reset thing and I can merge it also. So git merge. What will happen? It is up to date merge only. So we have to merge the branches. So I have to check it again. I'm getting back pain. What is this tag? This is for tagging. No tagging we are giving.